tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi nílé mo kí yẹn káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí lórí ìkànnì yìí. Ìròyìn ayọ̀ lélẹ̀ tí mo mú wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùgbọ́ mi ò lórí ìkànnì iSing TV. Ìròyìn ayọ̀ lélẹ̀ yìí o. Ìròyìn ayọ̀ yìí sì lọ sílùú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ Ògbómojúgun ọmọ ajẹka kó tó mú kọ yangan ogun òjàjàjà kó wọ̀lú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ rí. Appeal Court reinstate Afolabi Olaoye as Soun of Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ n sáré kà á sí wa létí bí ìròyìn ayọ̀ náà bó ṣe lọ lónìí ní ìlú Ìbàdàn. The Court of Appeal in Ibadan, Oyo State overturned a lower court ruling that nullified the selection and installation of Afolabi Olaoye as the Soun of Ogbomoso. Delivering the judgment on Tuesday, the Appellate Court ruled that the High Court lacking the jurisdiction to entertain the case effectively reinstate Olaoye as the rightful monarch. The battle for the referred Soun of Ogbomoso stew began in September 2023 when Afolabi Olaoye, a pastor with the Redeemed Christian Church of God (RCCG), was installed as the new traditional ruler by Kingmaker led by Sobalaje Otolorin. His appointment was subsequently approved by Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State. However, his accession to the throne sparked opposition from certain members of the royal family. In response, Kabir Olaoye, a contender for the position, along with 6 others, filed a lawsuit challenging the selection process. In October 2023, the Ogbomoso High Court ruled in their favor, nullifying Afolabi appointment. Presiding Judge K.A. Adedokun held that the nomination process did not align with the provision governing the selection of a Soun. Following the High Court's decision, Afolabi Olaoye filed an appeal, argued that due process had been followed in his selection. On Tuesday, a 3-member panel of justice led by Yagata Nimpa delivered a resounding verdict in his favor. The Appellate Court held that the plaintiff had failed to follow the required administrative procedure of formally notifying the government of their dissatisfaction before taking the case to the court. The judgment upheld Afolabi appeal on all 10 grounds, effectively restoring his legitimacy as the rightful Soun of Ogbomoso. Ìròyìn ayọ̀ lélẹ́yìí wa kí ọba Ghandi Afolabi Olaoye wípé wọn kú oríire o. Ìròyìn ayọ̀ gbáà ní fún gbogbo ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi níbi gbogbo pé ọba Ghandi Afolabi Olaoye ó ti jáwé olúborí nílé ẹjọ́ o. Kí gbogbo ọmọ oyè wọ́n ní èèyàn mélòó ní du oyè ṣùgbọ́n ẹnìkan ni ó jà mọ́ lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo àwọn tí ò bá já mọ́ lọ́wọ́ kan fọwọ́ wọ́nú o. Kí ọba Ghandi gbogbo wa gbàdúrà pé àsìkò tí ọba Ghandi Afolabi Olaoye jẹ yìí o kí ó sọ̀ wá sówó, sọ̀ wá sọ́mọ, sọ̀ wá sí àlàáfíà. Nínú ìròyìn míì tá a tún mú wá fún ẹ̀yin olólùgbọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì yìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí náà ni ti Portable Ìdààmú Olórin tí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn wọ́n ti kéde wípé à ń wá wọ́n sì ti kéde wọ́n ti nà ń bẹ̀ sórí gbogbo ẹ̀rọ ayélujára pé tó ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá wọn rí Portable ẹ jẹ́ n sáré kà á sí wa létí náà bí ìwé ìròyìn ṣe gbé. Breaking: Ogun Police Command declared Habib Okikiola aka Portable wanted. Òun náà lẹ́ ń wò lójú ìwòran yín yẹn, wọ́n ti kéde ẹ̀ wọ́n láwọn ń wá o wípé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá wọn rí Portable kàn jọ̀ọ́ kán bá wọn fi ṣọwọ́ sí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá tó wà ní Eléwéran ní Abẹ́òkúta. Ẹ jẹ́ n kà á dáadáa kí n kà á. Ogun State Police Command hereby declare Habib Okikiola Olalomi, popularly known as Portable, wanted for his involvement in a violent attack on government officials carrying out their lawful duty. Wọ́n ní ó attack àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ibi tí wọ́n ti lọ bá a wípé nǹkan tó ń ṣe níbi ilé tó ń kọ́, wọ́n ti Portable attack wọn. Ó lu àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ rẹ̀ náà àtàwọn tó bá tẹ́jọ wà pé kán máa ṣeré ọwọ́ fún àwọn tí wọ́n wá bá wọn ńbẹ̀. Ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn ti wá kéde rẹ̀ wípé Portable à ń wá o, ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá wọn rí kán fi ṣọwọ́ sí àgọ́ ọlọ́pàá tó bá wà ní agbègbè wọn ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn or anywhere tá bá ti rí Portable káàkiri orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin ní Nàìjíríà, kán jọ̀ọ́ kán bá wọn fi ṣọwọ́ sí àgọ́ ọlọ́pàá ní Ogun State. Ìròyìn tó tún dàbí rẹ̀ náà ni ti ọba kan tí orúkọ ọba náà jẹ́ Joseph Olóyèdé, that is ọba. Orúkọ ọba náà ni Apetu of Ìpẹ̀tùmodù. Wọ́n ní wọ́n tì mọ́lé o, wọ́n tì mọ́lé nílùú òyìnbó, wọ́n tì mọ́lé l'Amẹ́ríkà o nítorí 4.2 million COVID-19 fraud. Wọ́n lọ́ba yìí ṣe fraud. Ẹ sáré kà á sí wa létí bí ìwé ìròyìn ṣe gbé e, torí ọba kan leléyìí. Apetu of Ìpẹ̀tùmodù Joseph Olóyèdé detained by FBI over 4.2 million COVID-19 fraud. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré kà á bí ìwé ìròyìn ṣe gbé e. Ẹ rí i pé ó sọwọ́ ilé ẹjọ́ náà ni àwọn ìròyìn eléyìí tá à ń sáré mú wá ní abala ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ náà lélẹ̀ tá à ń kà fún wa yìí o. Ní abala ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ náà ní nǹkan tá à ń kà fún wa. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré kà á. Olóyèdé is also alleged to have submitted falsified PPP and EIDL loan application in the name of other co-conspirators and confederate borrowers and their businesses, obtaining approximately $1.3 million through those applications for a total of at least $4.2 million obtaining through the fraud. A Nigerian monarch from the southwest region of the country, the Apetu of Ìpẹ̀tùmodù, Oba Joseph Olóyèdé, who was reportedly missing in March 2024, has been found in FBI custody. Ó lágbára o, ó ní agbára. Bẹ́ẹ̀ rí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o, ó ní agbára o, ó ní agbára. It was gathered that the Nigerian monarch, also a US citizen, is currently battling a 13-count fraud indictment in the US District Court for the Northern District of Ohio. According to US court document, Mr. Olóyèdé was arrested on May 4, 2024, after a warrant was issued for his apprehension. The FBI accused him of orchestrating a fraudulent scheme through his 6 registered company, obtaining loans meant for struggling businesses during the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2020, the US government introduced the Financial Aid Program as the Paycheck Protection Program, that's PPP, and Economic Injury Disaster Loan, so EIDL, to support businesses affected by the pandemic. However, the loan applicants were required to submit their tax, wage statement, and other financial documents proving their eligibility. Meanwhile, investigation revealed that Mr. Olóyèdé allegedly falsified these documents and misused the funds for personal expenses in violation of federal law. FBI record shows that in June 2020 alone, Mr. Olóyèdé secured over $100,000 in loan for 4 of his 6 companies, including Available Tax Service, Available Tutor, Available Financial, Available Transportation, On October 7, 2021, he received a $500,000 loan for Joe and A, followed by another $500,000 loan 2 days after for available transportation. So ọba yìí ó ti wà ní gàlagàlà àwọn FBI lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bí a ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Nínú àwọn ìròyìn tá a gbọ́ ni pé nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe ọdún ní December àbí January ọdún yìí pé yẹ kọ́ba yìí wà ńbẹ̀, ọba yìí ò sí ńbẹ̀ rárá, pé nígbà tá a tiẹ̀ fi fọ́nrán kan àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ àwọn aráàlú sọ pé rárá àwọn ò fẹ́ fọ́nrán, ọba gangan làwọn fẹ́ rí. Ìròyìn ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ náà ní abala ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ rẹ̀ náà là ń mú wá fún ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bá like, ẹ má bá share rẹ̀, ẹ má bá subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ ṣé o tẹ́ ń tẹ́tí sí wa ní gbogbo ìgbà.